Welcome back to our cooking method series, where today we're talking all about the oven. We'll cover how to bake fish, how to broil fish, and the pan sear to oven method for those thicker fish fillets that might need it. Let's start with the classic oven baking. For this, you'll need a sheet pan, and we're using a silpat here, but you can also use parchment paper. You just want to make sure your fish is not going to stick. We're going to use our Atlantic salmon here. As always, just pat your fish dry and hit it with a little bit of seasoning of your choice. A great way to impart some flavor into this salmon is to add some lemon slices and a few sprigs of thyme right on top. These aromatics are going to provide a nice, subtle boost of flavor. That's it! These are ready to go, right into a 400° Fahrenheit oven for 8 to 12 minutes. You can use a thermometer to check the temperature of the salmon, or just use a fork and see if it flakes easily. We prefer our salmon cooked to 125° Fahrenheit, which is medium rare. You can take it further if you like, it's all about your preference. The more you cook fish, the easier it'll become to tell when it's done without even needing a thermometer. Now let's talk broiling. This is a direct heat method that uses the top element of your oven for high temps and fast flavor. This time, we're going to season the salmon with a barbecue rub just to mix it up and get some more color on the fish, since our oven's broiling temperature is pretty high at 500° Fahrenheit. Be warned, sometimes that super high heat from the broiler does not play well with the fire alarm. But look at that, we still got a lovely cook on our salmon. Lastly, let's talk about pan searing and finishing in the oven. Here we're using a halibut fillet, which is a much more lean fish that can easily dry out, so it's perfect for this method. We're patting our fish dry and seasoning simply with salt and pepper. Now to get some beautiful color on this fish, we're going to start in a pan. Warm up your pan on medium heat, get some oil in there to prevent sticking, and get your fish in the pan. If you've seen our video on how to pan sear fish, these steps will sound familiar to you. Just give it a minute or two to develop a lovely golden brown crust and then flip. Remember, halibut can dry out easily, so we like to baste the fish with butter and thyme to keep it moist and provide even more flavor. For thicker fish fillets like this, it might not be done yet, so moving it into the oven allows it to finish cooking with a nice, gentle heat. Use a thermometer if you need it, and aim for right around 125° Fahrenheit. Thanks for joining us to learn all about using your oven to elevate your seafood to the next level. For more recipes and fishy tales, visit fultonfishmarket.com.